Hello everyone. Previously we had discussed on the while loops, right? So today we'll be discussing about the infinite loop, right? So here an infinite loop, let's get into the definition part. First, what it says, an infinite loop is a loop that runs endlessly because its condition is always true, right? So this one I'm speaking of. An infinite loop is a loop that runs endlessly because its condition is always true, right? So I'm going to read this one more time. So an infinite loop is a loop that runs endlessly because its condition is always true. It doesn't stop, right? So this is about the infinite loop. Before getting into the example part, let me tell you one thing. So basically infinite loops are often used in systems or servers. So we must use either break or exit inside such loops, right? So we must use uh, break or exit inside such loops, right? So let me consider a very simple example here. So I'll just go with while uh, this has to be always true, right? So I'll just keep true here. So let me print something within the strings month. So I'll just go with this will print once, this will print once, right? So this is fine. Let me make use of the keyword break here, or it will loop, it will go on looping, right? So this will not stop at all if I don't make use of the break statement, right? So the definition itself states that an infinite loop is a loop that runs endlessly because its condition is always true, right? So let me come out of this one. So here let me go with the code. Mm, so here loop condition is always true as we are making use of the while loop, right? Loop condition is always true, and break keyword whatever we have made use of here, this one break stops it after one iteration. Break stops it after one iteration. So if I run the code, I have to get the output, this will print once whatever we have given, whatever we are printing within the strings, right? So we have to get the output, this will print once. Let's check the same. I'll just go with Python here. Let me copy the file name dot py. So I am getting the output, this will print one. So we are getting the correct output, right? So basically what is happening here, the loop would be infinite, but as we are making use of the break keyword is stopping us from causing the infinite loop, right? So this is it for the infinite loops part. So let me summarize whatever we have learned so far. So here infinite loops are useful, but it must be controlled to avoid freezing the program, right? So it will go on looping, it will go on looping, it will not stop if we don't make use of the break break keyword, right? Break or the exit keyword, right? Exit keyword, right? So this is it for the infinite loops, right? This is it for the infinite loops. Next we'll be discussing about the defining functions. Next we'll be we'll be going with defining functions topic, right? So for now this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.